Let your heart not be troubled. Have faith in God and have faith in me. In my Father's house are rooms enough. If it was not so, I would have said that. I go to prepare a place for you. And then he says in verse 3, and if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to me, that where I am, you may also be. There you may also be. But there comes a time, just before the second coming, at the end of the investigative judgment, when Christ will utter the following words. Not it is fulfilled, but it is done. It is done. Now, here's a strange verse. Revelation 8:1. When he had opened the seventh seal, there was silence in heaven about the space of half an hour. Now, when is the seventh seal? Well, of course, after the sixth seal, which we've discovered a few nights ago. When the sun was darkened, the stars fell from heaven. That was the opening of the sixth seal. So when then is the seventh seal? Logically, it will be the second coming itself. Now the Bible states that there will be silence in heaven for approximately half an hour. Why will there be silence in heaven? Well, for one thing, heaven will be empty. Because Christ and all his angels are on their way to earth. If a day in prophecy is a year, 24 hours is a year, how long is half an hour then? Well, if you work that out, it could approximately be about 7 days. Could it be that trip from heaven to earth and back to heaven could last about 7 days?